Compound walls are needed in almost every property, and today building a compound wall is not at all easy. Firstly, you need to get labours. Managing labours is such a big headache, managing their accommodation, stay, food, etc. After that, like there are so many materials while building a compound wall. You have cement, sand, jelly. There's always a chance of theft kind of happening, and when you install a compound wall, it takes forever. So we have the perfect solution to all these problems, which is the precast Unislab wall. Now this is a wall which is completely made in the factory, and it is very easy to install. So as you can see, there are hooks here. So you have cranes coming, lifting those panels and just bringing them and installing it on the site. So you can actually cover very large lengths in a very short space of time. And the best part of this product is that it is extremely high quality and very durable. This comes in dimensions of about 16 feet or 5 meters, about 5 inches thick. The weight of one single slab is about 2,800 kgs. Yes, I'm not kidding. 2.8 tons is just the weight of one slab, and so it is very strong, so very good from a security point of view. And once it is installed, you can also see it actually elevates the aesthetic appeal of any property. For example, you can see here, this is a very stone textured finish, so it looks very beautiful, and it does not require plastering as well. So you get significant cost saving there. And this comes in two variants. The first variant is this, which is about 16 feet wide with 5 inches thickness. The other variant, which is on the other side, what you can see here, which is about 10 feet wide and the thickness is about 4 inches. This panel is about 1200 kgs in weight. So these are the two variants which are there, and this can be used in a variety of properties, right from your farmhouses, high-end villas that you're doing, commercial properties, or anywhere where you really want to increase the aesthetic appeal and you don't want that headache of dealing with labours. So that's the Unislab precast wall for you guys. A very excellent product made from factories imported from Europe, and it is something which will really give a great first impression to your property. That's the Unislab precast wall by Just Friends.